Do you want to boost your knee strength and flexibility? Knee Care 101 is here to help. Knees are the unsung heroes of our mobility, often overlooked until that first twinge of discomfort. This video is your go-to guide, filled with easy-to-follow tips and exercises to promote knee health. We'll walk you through some simple yet effective ways to increase strength, improve flexibility, and ultimately enhance your overall knee health. Ready to take a step towards healthier knees? Let's dive in. A few simple tips can go a long way in maintaining your knee health. First off, maintaining a healthy weight is crucial. Excess weight puts additional pressure on your knees, which can lead to wear and tear over time. Next, let's talk about footwear. Wearing supportive shoes can help avoid unnecessary strain on your knees. Choose shoes that provide good arch support and cushioning. Staying active is another key to knee health. Regular physical activity helps strengthen the muscles that support your knees, reducing the risk of injury. Walking, swimming, or even gardening, choose an activity that you enjoy. Finally, never underestimate the power of a good warm-up. Warming up before physical activity prepares your joints for the movements ahead, reducing the risk of strain or injury. Remember, these tips are not just for athletes. Anyone looking to boost their knee strength and flexibility can benefit. Now, let's look at some easy exercises you can do at home to strengthen your knees. First up, we have leg lifts. This simple exercise targets the quadriceps, the large muscles at the front of your thighs that are crucial for knee support. Lie flat on your back and slowly lift one leg at a time, keeping your knee straight. Hold for a couple of seconds, then lower it back down. Repeat for 10 to 15 times on each leg. Next, we have step-ups. This exercise focuses on both your quadriceps and your hamstrings, the muscles at the back of your thighs. Find a step or a low bench and simply step up and down. Do this for about 10 to 15 times on each leg. Lastly, we have hamstring curls. These strengthen your hamstrings, which help in bending your knee and stabilizing it. While standing, slowly bring your heel up towards your buttocks. Hold for a moment, then lower it back down. Consistency is key. Aim to do these exercises at least 3 times a week. Flexibility is just as important as strength when it comes to knee health. Let's dive into some exercises that will help improve your knee flexibility. Our first exercise is the quad stretch. This is a fantastic exercise that targets the front of your thigh. By stretching your quads, you're enhancing your knee's range of motion, which can help prevent injuries. Next up is the hamstring stretch. Your hamstrings, located at the back of your thigh, play a crucial role in knee flexibility. A well-stretched hamstring allows your knee to bend and straighten more easily, reducing the strain on your joint. Finally, we have the calf stretch. Your calves, surprisingly, can affect your knee flexibility. Tight calves can limit the movement in your ankles, which in turn can put extra stress on your knees. So, a good calf stretch can indirectly contribute to better knee flexibility. With these exercises, you're on your way to stronger, more flexible knees. Remember to start slow and listen to your body. Taking care of your knees doesn't have to be complicated. We've explored simple yet effective tips and exercises to boost your knee strength and flexibility. Remember, incorporating these tips into your daily routine can be game-changing. But don't forget, if you have any concerns about your knee health, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional. They can provide you with personalized advice based on your unique situation. Here's to stronger, healthier knees. Thanks for watching Knee Care 101.